Are you in search of elegant appetizers for your sophisticated dinner party? Today, we're diving into a world of culinary elegance, showcasing 10 exquisite appetizers that will set the tone for any refined gathering. The right appetizer can whet the palate, stimulate conversation, and hint at the culinary delights yet to come, making them a pivotal part of any sophisticated soirée. So, stay tuned as you are about to discover some of the most elegant appetizers that will surely impress your guests. Scene script. Let's dive into our appetizing list, shall we? First up, we have the delicate and rich smoked salmon canapés. These little bites of heaven combine the smoky flavor of salmon with the fresh tang of cream cheese, topped off with a sprig of dill. It's a classic choice that screams elegance and sophistication. Next, we have mini beef Wellingtons. These bite-sized renditions of the British classic feature succulent beef tenderloin wrapped in a flaky puff pastry. They're a hearty appetizer that promise a main course full of robust flavors. Thirdly, let's talk about goat cheese stuffed figs. A perfect blend of sweet and savory, these appetizers feature ripe figs filled with creamy goat cheese drizzled with honey. They're not only visually stunning, but also provide a unique taste experience that will intrigue your guests. Our fourth and fifth appetizers are equally tantalizing, featuring fresh ingredients and complex flavors that will leave your guests craving more. These appetizers will surely give your guests a taste of what's to come in the main course. But our list doesn't end there. We have more delightful appetizers to share. First, let's explore the decadent world of truffle mushroom tarts. These bite-sized morsels are filled with creamy mushrooms and a hint of truffle oil, enveloped in a crisp, buttery pastry. They're as rich and luxurious as appetizers can get. Next, we have mini lobster rolls. Imagine chunks of fresh, succulent lobster meat lightly dressed with mayonnaise and packed into a soft, toasted mini roll. It's a classic New England treat, miniaturized for the perfect bite. Then there's the prosciutto-wrapped asparagus. The salty, cured prosciutto perfectly complements the fresh, slightly bitter asparagus. It's a match made in culinary heaven. Two more appetizers to intrigue your palate are smoked salmon blinis and duck confit crostini. These offer a balance of flavors, from the smoky salmon to the rich, tender duck confit. With these appetizers, your dinner party will not only be sophisticated but an unforgettable gastronomic experience. And there you have it, 10 elegant appetizers that will surely impress your dinner guests. Remember, the right appetizers can set the tone for a sophisticated dinner party, so choose wisely. For more inspiration, our playlist is brimming with appetizer ideas. Shop now and access exclusive deals. Find the link in the description. Don't forget to check out our playlist for more appetizer ideas, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with other culinary enthusiasts. Cheers to a successful dinner party,